The next question says the focal lengths of the objective and the eyepiece of a compound microscope are 1.6 cm and 2.5 cm respectively. The distance between the two lenses is 21.7 cm. If the final image is formed at infinity, what is the linear magnification? Now the magnifying power for image at infinity, the formula is L minus FO minus FE, the whole into distance of distinct vision, the upon FOFE. Now if we substitute the values, L is 21.7 minus FO is 1.6, FE is 2.5, the whole into capital D is 25, FO again is 1.6, FE is 2.5. So it's like 2.5 times 10 is 25. And this, when you subtract 21.7 minus 1.6 and 2.5, we get it as 17.6, the whole into 10 upon 1.6. That becomes 1760 by 16, which is nothing but 110. And that is the final answer.